All right, check it. You worked real hard to get to Carnival Platinum status, right? And what if I told you right now today MSC would hand you a gold card before your first sailing with them, which is going to get you free thermal spa hours, some booking discounts up to 10%, some onboard credits, even a welcome cocktail party on day one for just a 5-minute application, zero cost. Now, most Carnival cruisers walking on the MSC ships today are starting from zero when they absolutely don't have to. We ran the numbers, of course, and we're going to show you exactly what they're leaving behind. Now, here's the short version. MSC runs a loyalty program called the Voyagers Club, and they're going to match your Carnival Platinum status to their gold tier without you sailing a single day with them. That match gets you new perks from your very first MSC cruise. Not someday, I'm telling you, day one.
And we want to be clear about something. This is not a downgrade. MSC Gold is real loyalty status. We have 11 MSC sailings between the two of us, so we really know what this card can get you.
So before we get into it, I got a quick question. Team MSC curious or Team Carnival forever? Go ahead and drop it in the comments right now. We're going to be reading every single one. All right, so here is why this matters right now. A lot of Carnival loyalists have been watching MSC from the sideline. The ships are newer. The MSC World America, the Seashore, the Seascape. Now, these aren't starter ships. The itineraries, especially in the Mediterranean and the Caribbean, MSC just goes places that Carnival can't.
Absolutely. But y'all keep booking Carnival because you earn them platinum perks. Priority boarding, free laundry, the past guest cocktail party, 10% off in the casino, can't forget that. You put in that time for those and you're just not ready to start over.
Now, Carnival Rewards is the brand new loyalty program. It launches September 1st. Now, under the new program, Platinum isn't permanent anymore. You got to keep earning it every 2 years. So if you've been waiting for the right moment to try MSC while protecting what you already built on Carnival, I'm going to tell you, this is that moment. Use your status to get onto MSC as a gold member, then sell both. And we're going to show you exactly how to do it. All right, so let's start with what you actually have. Carnival Platinum. So that's going to put you in their 4th tier of the VIFP program. Now that Carnival Rewards program, it comes out September 1st. And here's what that card gives you right now.
Priority boarding. And if you've ever been on a Carnival sailing when general boarding opens, you already know that that matters. You're not standing in that line.
You're going to get free laundry, 1 bag per sailing, which sounds small until you get 10 days in and you realize you didn't pack enough outfits and then you thought you could wash them.
That past guest cocktail party, which people either love or completely forget to go to. Go to it. It's free drinks and free appetizers, an easy $30 to $40 a person in value.
Now you get 10% off in the casino if you gamble even just a little bit, and that adds up real fast, and you know.
Now here's the thing. All those perks are real. We're not taking anything away from Carnival Platinum because we are Carnival Platinum. But Carnival Rewards changes all the rules starting September 1st. Under the new program, your status is based on how much you spend, not how many nights you actually sail. And Platinum isn't permanent anymore. You actually have to keep earning it every 2 years. You don't hit that spend threshold and you drop.
Now, that's not necessarily bad news. If you're a consistent Carnival cruiser, you're going to probably maintain it, but it's different. The rules have changed. And if you've been treating your Platinum card like a permanent badge, it's worth knowing that the deck just got shuffled on you.
So this is the window. You have Platinum right now. That card is exactly what you need to walk into MSC as a gold member before anything else changes. All right, so let's talk about what MSC Gold actually means, because I want to put you on real numbers on this.
All right, Addy's gonna math it now, y'all.
I am gonna math it. So first, the cruise discount. MSC Gold members get 5% off their cruise fare all year round, no matter what cruise. On $1,500, that's $75 back. On $3,000 savings, it's $150 right off the top. Then there's the advanced booking discount. 10% when you book early enough. So if you plan ahead and if you're Carnival Platinum, you do. That discount alone can cover gratuities on a shorter sailing.
And then there's that $50 onboard credit for advanced bookings per cruise, which on an MSC sailing where the base fare is already priced aggressively, that goes a long way.
The thermal spa hour. This is the one I care about. MSC's thermal suites on most ships run $35 to $50 per session per person. Getting an hour included on your gold status every single cruise, that's money. And on a sea day in a thermal suite, every time.
And then there's that welcome cocktail party. Same energy as Carnival's past guest party. Free drinks, free food, if you show up. If you're looking, you're going to be looking at about $30 to $40 of value that you don't even have to pay for.
Right. And free photos. You get a complimentary gift. Let me put a rough total on this. One average MSC sailing as a gold member, the discount, the credit, the spa, the party, the photo, that's conservative $200, $250 in value per sailing.
And you're building Voyagers Club points on every sailing, stacking toward even higher perks the more you sail with them. We know we're diamond.
Is MSC Gold as strong as MSC Diamond? Well, no. We'll get into who should wait for a higher match in a minute. But for a Carnival Platinum cruiser, switching to MSC for the first time, this is the right door.
All right, so let's get to it. This is the actual process, and I want you to pay attention because there's one rule that trips people up every single time.
You only get one shot at this. One. MSC allows one status match per guest. If you submit multiple requests, they don't process any of them. You get one application, so make it count.
And here's what you need before you start. Pull up your Carnival loyalty account, either your VIFP card or your Carnival Rewards profile, and make sure you can see your name and your platinum status clearly. Take a screenshot, save it as a PDF. You're going to upload that.
The file needs to show three things clearly: your full name, the loyalty program name, like Carnival, and your current tier level, which is Platinum. That's it. JPEG, PNG, PDF, Word doc, all accepted, under 4 megabytes.
Now, step 2, you want to go to MSC's website, which is msccruisesusa.com. Find the Voyager Club section. The status match page is right there. Link is in the description.
The form is pretty straightforward. Name, birthday, email, phone number, your address. If you already have a Voyagers Club number, go ahead and put it in. If you don't, MSC will create one for you automatically. You don't need to set that up first.
Then you're going to upload your proof, submit. Then you wait 72 hours for approval, typically sometimes faster. Now, during busy stretches, up to 10 business days, don't panic. Do not resubmit. Your first application is still processing.
Yes. You'll get an email with your new Voyagers Club number and your match confirmed. Save that email.
And here's the thing we can't say loud enough. You want to do this before you book your first MSC cruise. Not the day before, not the day before you sail, not at the pier.
No.
Do it tonight. Get the confirmation email and then book with your gold status locked in so your discount applies to the fare.
We didn't do that on our first couple of MSC sailings, and we left perks on the table because we just didn't have our status sorted and all that ahead of time. That's on us. It does not have to be you.
The link is in the description. 5 minutes tonight. Now, here's the question everybody has once they hear this. Do I have to give up Carnival to do this?
No.
No, man. You keep selling Carnival. You keep building your status under Carnival Rewards, and you maintain your MSC Gold on the side. The two programs don't talk to each other. You manage them both.
The only thing you have to do on the MSC side is sail with them at least once within 3 years of your status match being approved. One MSC cruise in 3 years to keep gold status alive. That's all they ask.
So if you're already thinking about trying MSC, which if you're watching this video, you probably were, that threshold is nothing.
Now, who should think twice before applying right now?
And that's a good question.
If you're 1 or 2 sailings away from Carnival Diamond, that's 200 cruise days or more under the current system, hold off. Don't match now. Earn that Carnival Diamond first, because Carnival Diamond matches to MSC Diamond. And MSC Diamond, that's a completely different tier. You get specialty restaurants included, priority embarkation right to your cabin, bathrobes and slippers, late checkout. That's 4 perks Gold don't even touch.
And here's the thing about Carnival Diamond. Under the current VIFP system, it's grandfathered, meaning if you earn it before September 1st, you hold it. That's a real reason to push for it before Carnival Rewards launches.
And if you've never sailed MSC and genuinely don't plan to within the next 3 years, the status will expire before you use it. So think honestly about whether you really intend to step on one of their ships. If yes, apply now. If you're still undecided, come back to this when you're ready.
Now, our rule is if you're Carnival Platinum and you have even one MSC cruise on the radar, let's say in the next 12 months, do the match today, right after this video. Worst case, you have a gold card you can use once. Best case, you walk onto every future MSC sailing with perks you didn't have to earn cruise by cruise. So let's be honest about MSC.
MSC is not Carnival, okay? The vibe is genuinely different. More, what's the word? International.
Yeah.
European cruise culture, which means the timing runs differently, the service style is different, and the overall energy on the ship takes some adjusting if Carnival is all you know.
Now, some people are going to love that. Some people need a sailing to settle in. We're already in the love it camp, you know it. But we want to be honest, it's going to be an adjustment for some of you.
Oh, yeah. The gold perks are real. The cocktail party happens and the drinks are actually good. The thermal spa on a sea day, the thermal suite is everything, okay? It's worth every dollar they charge. Getting it for free is not a small thing.
So gold is not diamond.
Mm-hmm.
If you're used to Royal Caribbean Diamond or Princess Elite, then you're going to notice that some of the premium benefits live at a higher tier on MSC.
Oh, yeah.
Now, gold is the right entry point for a Carnival Platinum cruiser, but it's not the penthouse.
What we do differently, apply before that first sailing because we left real money on the table and at least in 3 cruises by not having our status sorted ahead of time. Don't do what we did.
Now, if you've been rocking with us for a while, then you already know this channel, we don't do hype for hype's sake. We don't tell you something is great because we want you to feel good about cruising. We tell you what we actually did, what it actually cost, and whether we'd book it again.
This one we definitely do again, just earlier.
Now, the status match is going to be one of those things that's been sitting in plain sight, and most Carnival loyalists have just never heard of it. If this video changes that for one person, that's the whole point.
And if you're new here, this is what we do. Real numbers, real experience, 70 cruises between us and counting.
So now that you know your Carnival Platinum is worth more than you thought, the next thing you need to figure out is exactly how the new Carnival Rewards program changes what you've already earned. We already covered that. It's right here.